Today we are going to review a book. If you are a defense aspirant aspiring to join NDA, missed a chance to join NDA, or just have interest in Indian Defense Forces, then this book is for you. If you are in search of novel about pranks, fun, love set, discipline, hard training and adventure, then this book is for you. Boots, Belts and Berets by Tanushree Podar. The novel is based on a young boy aged around 16 to 17. At this charming age, generally boys are out to begin their college journey with fantasies of dream girls, fancy dress-ups and funky hairstyles. But ironically, this boy finds himself pitted against brutally disciplined system, surrounded by tough army men and sadistic seniors. The protagonist of the story is Nikhil Datta, who is gonna be part of National Defense Academy (NDA). For those who don't know, NDA is a place where officers of Indian Defense Forces are trained. In short, a place where boys are turned into real men. The book is set in 1970s when Pune was called Pune, when 75% of marks were considered superlative, when concept of Control-Alt-Delete had not hit mankind. Subconsciously, book carries you through the romp experience of 6 terms in NDA. The beginning of story is demanding and harassing for Nikhil as he sets foot in challenging game. Facing senior is one of the tough tasks as barking seemed their primary qualification. Everything is wrong in their eyes when they see first termer. Book also highlights some oblivious punishments faced by cadets like Patti Parade, where cadets have to dress in 1 minute and after each dress they change, the time goes on decreasing. Normally a person takes 15 to 20 minutes to bathe while cadets have to return within 2 minutes on orders of his seniors. If they don't, front row is waiting for them. These impossible deadlines make cadet achieve impossible tasks. Later, Nikhil binds himself in a strong bond of friendship with 3 of his fellow mates, and their journey begins to passing out parade (POP), carrying each other's secrets, crazy nicknames, lousy jokes, and endless memories. But the path till passing out parade is not straight and effortless. It contains scoring ambition, tough challenges, punishing regimes, and endless petty parades. However, rugged training and severe ragging cannot keep their spirits down for long. Weaving yarns about imaginary girlfriend, they turn from greenhorns to tough soldiers. United by their experience, this comrade in arms form bond for life. Team Venusi found this book inspiring, entertaining and easy to read. If you are a beginner at reading novels and have interest in such genre, then this book is best to start with.
If you like the content we create, support us by hitting the like button, sharing the video,
And by subscribing to our channel.